Now, what we are going to do is to create our pull request. So it's important when you have something ready to merge to develop, remember the branch strategy. So when we finish our feature, then we are ready to go into develop branch, right? So what we are gonna do is, before doing this, is something that is missing here is update our feature branch with develop branch. So what we are gonna do is the following. Give me one sec. We are going to go to source tree, and then there is something really cool which is called rebase, but I think we can take that in another tutorial. So what we are gonna do is just to make sure that we are here in grass-fed, and then we right click and it's like, okay, pull origin feature, which is this one, and then we select the branch that we want to pull, which in this case, one sec. Okay, so in this case, we are gonna pull from develop. So we are pulling from the repository in our branch develop into our local branch feature grass-fed where to buy. Doing this, we are gonna we are gonna pull all the changes from develop into our local branch. So we are going to be ready to merge back to develop. Once that one is completed, if we have no changes, if we have changes or conflicts, we just resolve the conflicts here and then push the new information to our grass-fed in the remote. Once we have that, we go to GitHub, we refresh the page, and then we are going to do the pull request. So we select our branch, which is feature grass-fed where to buy, and we do a new pull request. Can use this button as well, but this is the regular way to do it. So we are doing like, I wanna make sure that you're doing this against develop and not master. So what you do is like this branch, I wanna do this on develop, and then you just can say Grassfair where to buy. It is great if you guys can add the ticket URL here. Whoops, sorry about that. And any other information that you guys want to add, like this is a test for SSVM migration. And then you can see all of the commits and files changed and everything. So you just create the pull request. And that's it. So what we now everyone is notified that this pull request has been created, so people just come here and start doing comments and approves on this branch. So what they do is like click on files change, and let's say that there is a code styling that it can be fixed. So let's say like for example this one. So you just click right here and you can do some comments here like um, you shouldn't call content, just leave it empty, for example. Okay, and then you just like add a single comment or start a review. So when you are applying comments to the code, then you can define two things. So you can just leave some feedback, or what you can do is like uh, approve or reject the pull request. So then you can click here on review changes at the end, and it's like I'm gonna say that this is a little bit slow because I have like around 14,000 lines. So what you can say is like, okay, I can approve. Okay, obviously I cannot approve my own request, or you can request changes. Comment is usually the soft way, so you can leave some comments, but it's up to the other developer to complete it or not. But if you approve this, it's like you are happy with the changes that the developer did, or request changes is, yeah, the developer has to do some changes prior to merge the branch. All of the changes that you are doing go to conversation, so you can see like a history line here. So what we do here internally in the company is like at least two other developers have to approve, not comment. They have to approve. In that way, we involve everyone on helping the code quality in the company. Once it's done, what you can do is like merge pull requests, and when you merge the pull requests, you can delete the feature branch, which is something that you can do. And so you keep cleaning up your number of feature branch and back branches. That's it.